Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub. On this episode, we're in the Lochloosa, however you say it, Wildlife Conservation Area, and we're gonna pull the canoe off, throw it in the water, and canoe around the lake. Okay, so we just made it out onto the water. There was a few other kayaks that were launching when we were there, an airboat. So far we're up to 2 alligators, lily patty, lots of cypress trees, and it's a pretty nice day out. It's a bit too sunny for me, but hopefully there's some cloud covers coming in here. We're still just kind of paddling along here next to the shoreline. We've already seen probably about an 8-foot alligator on shore. Nothing really out in the water all too much, but it's starting to get a little bit of cloud cover, and overall it's a pretty lake area here. Tons of fish jumping and whatnot in the lily pads. So I mean, if we were actually people who went fishing, this would definitely probably be a really great lake for fishing. So about a 30-40 minute paddle going left from the boat ramp area. We found this beautiful little cove, nice and remote. There's a little grassy pull-off right there where you could have like a picnic or whatnot. It looks like possibly airboats pull up there. We could hang the hammock possibly, but we didn't bring any of that with us. No snacks, no real food. This was just kind of like a little ride-by pull-off, but kind of a pretty little spot out here on the lake. Due to the potential of a storm coming in, we decided to paddle it on back into the boat ramp here. It's a pretty lily-padded boat ramp, kayak launch. I mean, there's tons of people out there fishing, kayaking. We also have like a little dock over here, a little fishing dock, and Sarah may or may not make us hit the post, but it doesn't look very intimidating. And we cleared that. Great job, Sarah. And here's kind of our muddy landing area here, and we park literally right next to it. So there's definitely tons of space for parking. We've just made landfall. And also over here you've got like a covered picnic table area, little covered area with tons of picnic tables, some trash cans, and a nice little field over there. We've got the canoe all loaded up here. There was actually a few trails here. I didn't have my camera out and film, but yeah, there is some trails, a little bit of water, fun little trail ride that we went on. Got the poor black camper all dirty, unfortunately, but the road in here is a little rough as well. And tons of pollen, and let's get out of here before the storm hits. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little follow along here with us while we went out on the canoe.